So you've heard about Kickoff and you've got some questions. Specifically, how does Kickoff actually work? What does it cost? And what are the things you must know before you sign up for Kickoff yourself? If at any point in this video you want to try out Kickoff, there's a link in the description and it supports the channel. First, what is Kickoff? It's a fintech app built for one job, helping you build credit, especially if you're starting from scratch or rebuilding after some rough patches. And the pitch is pretty appealing. There's no credit check to sign up, so applying won't ding your score. They approve almost everyone, you pay 0% interest, and everything reports to all three major credit bureaus, which are Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. That all three part matters because plenty of credit builders only report to one or two, and you want every payment counting everywhere. One more thing worth knowing right up front, you can sign up with either a social security number or an ITIN, which makes this a good option if you're new to the country and building credit in the US for the first time. So here's how it actually works. When you sign up, Kickoff gives you a revolving line of credit, but this is not a card you can swipe at the gas station. You can only use it inside Kickoff's own store. The whole point isn't spending, it's building history. Each month, you put a small amount on that line and pay it back on time because you're only ever using a tiny slice of your total limit. Your credit utilization stays super low, and those steady on-time payments build the three things that matter most for your score: payment history, low utilization, and the age of your credit. Just set it on autopay, and it quietly does its thing in the background. Now let's talk about plans because there are three. The basic plan is $5 a month and gives you a $750 credit line. That's your simple, no-frills credit builder. The premium plan is $20 a month and bumps your line up to $2,500, which makes your profile look stronger, and it unlocks bill reporting and a few more tools. And the ultimate plan is $35 a month with a $3,500 line, and it piles on extras like identity theft insurance up to $1 million and a service that scrubs your personal info off data broker sites. Beyond the credit line, Kickoff has a few other tools worth knowing about. First, rent reporting, and this is a big one because it's now included on every plan. Kickoff reports your on-time rent payments to Equifax, and here's the kicker. For a one-time $50 fee, they'll go back and report up to 24 months of past rent you've already paid. That can add 2 years of positive history to your report almost instantly, which is huge if you've been renting and getting no credit for it. Just know you have to pay rent from a linked bank account. Venmo or Cash App payments won't count. On top of that, the premium and ultimate plans add bill reporting, where your phone, electric, gas, and water payments get reported too, and they only ever report the on-time once. There's also an optional credit builder loan for about $10 a month. You pay in for a year, build 12 months of payment history, and get your money back at the end, so you're basically paying yourself to save. And there's a secured credit card that works like a debit card and checking account combined, reports to all three bureaus, and even gets you paid up to 2 days early. Okay, now the part the title promised. The things you absolutely must know before you sign up. Number one, be realistic about results. Kickoff advertises some big score jumps, and it works, but independent sources put the typical improvement somewhere in the 40 to 100 point range over a full year, and that completely depends on where you're starting and how consistent you are. It's a slow build, not an overnight fix. Number two, Kickoff can't undo bad marks. If you've got recent late payments, collections, or charge-offs from the last couple of years, or your credit cards are maxed out, adding a positive trade line won't cancel those. It's like filling a bucket with a hole in the bottom. You've got to fix the hole first. Kickoff does have a free tool that flags potential errors on your Equifax report and generates dispute letters for you, but that's not full credit repair, so don't expect it to erase serious problems. And number three, the credit line is store only, just so there are no surprises. You can't spend that $750 or $2,500 out in the world. It exists purely to build your credit, not to give you buying power. Now on reviews, Kickoff scores well on Trustpilot, around 4.6 out of 5 across a couple thousand reviews, with plenty of users reporting real score gains. If you want to try Kickoff for yourself, the link's in the description and it supports the channel. And drop a comment if you've got questions about building credit. I read everyone. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.